E-ACE 12-inch 4K car DVR mirror is more than just a dash cam. It's a reliable companion for every journey, offering unparalleled clarity, coverage, and convenience on the road. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or a professional driver, the E-ACE Car DVR Mirror is the ultimate tool for enhancing your driving experience and keeping you safe and connected wherever the road may take you. Stay connected and informed on the go with the E-ACE Car DVR Mirror's built-in Wi-Fi and GPS capabilities. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily transfer recordings to your smartphone or tablet for viewing and sharing, while GPS functionality allows for accurate positioning and tracking of your vehicle's movements. Whether you're navigating unfamiliar terrain or simply documenting your journey, the E-ACE Car DVR Mirror keeps you connected and in control at all times. Equipped with dual car cameras, the E-ACE Car DVR Mirror offers comprehensive coverage of your surroundings, ensuring that every angle is captured with precision. The front camera boasts a 7-glass lens with a 170-degree wide-angle view and an impressive f1.6 aperture, allowing for superior low-light performance and enhanced visibility in challenging conditions. Meanwhile, the rear camera features a 6-glass lens with a 140-degree angle view and an f2.0 aperture, providing a clear view of vehicles and obstacles behind you.